20 Minute Setswana Bonus Vocabulary Lesson 14. So, in today's bonus vocabulary, Johan and I will be talking a bit more about these adjective roots for colors. So, what would be the root for blue?
Blue is bududu with a B.
Bududu.
Bududu.
Okay, so for argument's sake, the blue man would be mona yo mo
Bududu.
bududu. Mo bududu. Okay, what would be the root for yellow?
Yellow is serolwane.
Okay.
Serolwane, but that doesn't change that much.
Okay.
But if in the Nedi class, it's also the S changes to TSH.
TSH.
Yeah.
Okay, so yellow dog would be Ntswa e
Serolwane.
Terolwane. Okay.
In most of the Setswana communities, they would say Ntswa e yellow.
Oh, really? They just borrow
The yellow is a difficult color where they usually use yellow as a borrowing word.
Yes, okay.
Because you've got tsetla. Tsetla can be, they sometimes use it as yellow, but it's not the correct word. Serolwane is more the correct for yellow.
I did pick up that in Setswana, especially green and blue and yellow, there are a few options to explain these colors. But what's the root word for green?
Green is tala.
Tala. Okay, so
You see, you have tala for blue and for green.
oh, you see.
So it's a shade of green and a shade of blue. So that tala is sometimes used interchangeable.
But let's say I were just talking on the street and I quickly want to access the English word. I'd say Ntswa e blue.
Yeah, blue. Yeah,
Blue dog.
yeah. They will understand that, and they even do it. That's a street language.
Yes.
You borrow and you see your grammar is still correct.
Okay, so what is the root word for orange?
Orange is the actual fruit. Namuni.
Okay, that's easy. And here's a odd one, purple.
Purple is just a borrowed word. Or you would say pepole.
Pepole. Okay, so Ntswa e pepole.
Yeah, Ntswa e pepole.
Purple dog.
It must be a French dog.
Now, the last color I'd like to teach the listeners is brown.
Rokwa.
Rokwa.
If you say a brown man, mona yo morokwa.
Okay.
And if you say the brown dog, you would say Ntswa e tokwa.
Tokwa.
So the R becomes a TH.
Okay, one of those sound changes that
The
occurs.
sound changes, yes.
All right. Well, Johan, thank you so much for having joined us again. I hope the listeners have found this useful, and we'll see you next week on 20 Minute Setswana. Go fitlhela nako e e tlang.